I always imagine or wonder how these big graphic designers get to, do something like this. But then after watching several tutorial videos, and when you're watching this tutorial video, you'll be telling yourself, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it. But then coming back to my Photoshop and I start this, I'll be like, is this what I learned, or is this what I watched earlier? Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Deeworkroom. Alright, today I'm going to be giving you a secret on making a movie flyer poster. First on my list is watch other people's video. Watching other people's video will give you an insight or a creative idea on how to get it done in a perfect way. Watching other people's video also give you that creative mind, build you more and give you different concepts on how to get it done in a very good and fast speed. Okay, this takes us to the second secret, which is you really need to get your materials ready. Yes, this is really important. Without getting your materials ready, what are you going to design? All right, so you need to get your materials ready, all the necessary things you'll be needing for the poster, and you are good to go. Secret number 3, you really need a very good title. When I mean a very good title, a title that would speak for the poster which you are designing. If you don't have a very good title, here are some secrets on how to get a good title. Note, this video is not sponsored by any of this, but then how to get a very good title. Number 1, go to your ChatGPT and tell it to generate unused titles for movie posters, and it will give you lots of series of different type of YouTube poster titles. Sorry, it will give you a lot of poster titles that you've never seen before, and kudos to ChatGPT, it's doing very well. Secondly, you have to go to Pinterest. When you go to Pinterest, you just check title movie poster and their titles. You see a lot of series, and from there you can pick from one particular poster and it will give you a very good movie title. Okay, so this takes us to the 4th secret, which is after getting your movie title, you need a concept. Taking a good look at this, I actually got this concept from Pinterest, this particular concept from Pinterest, but this was not exactly how it was, but I got a concept from it. This leads us to the last secret, and before we do that, please kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the last concept here is using a reference. A reference is that looking to other people's concepts and keeping it. If at all I'm designing on this laptop, this screen will definitely be my reference screen. That is, this is my laptop here and this is my second screen. I'll put the reference picture here or reference poster here, then I'll be working here with your current design, and the reference will be giving you more ideas. So at some point I go online. Before I start, I go to Pinterest and get some reference pictures or posters in order to aid my design fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more. Thank you.